Fire in the Luftleiter hole. Let's cook a burger. Stay tuned. Bacon roasting on an open fire. Hey, I promised Craig I wouldn't sing, but I did. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. We got some bacon cooking in a cast iron pan because we're going to make a burger in this cast iron pan. Actually, we're going to make a couple of them. We want some of this bacon fat to get in the pan, and also we want to put some of this bacon on our burger. So you gotta love the sound and smell and sight of bacon cooking in a pan, can't you? Alright, let me get my bacon cooked up and then we'll get the burgers on here, so stay tuned. Alright, let's make this hot burger sauce. You want to wear gloves when you're working with habanero peppers. That's what these are. I got two nice habanero peppers. I'm going to cut the stems off of them. And we don't want the stems. And I'm going to cut them in half. And well, actually I'm going to slice the seed pod out of it. See that seed pod? I'm going to get the seeds and as much of the white skin out of the habaneros as you can, because that's where all the heat's at in the habanero. But you want the meat of the habanero, and of course you're going to get some of the seeds are going to go in there. It's no big deal. And I also have a jalapeno, which I'm going to cut the stem off of that and cut that in half, get the seeds out of it. To get the seed pods out of the habanero. And like I said, you don't want to touch your face or your eyes, even with the gloves on. Get the seeds out of that thing. And I learned that the hard way. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes people have to learn things the hard way. Anyway, that's the hard way. Okay. So let me get my other habanero cut up. Shouldn't take a minute. You could sit through that, can't you? We're cutting the white skin and the seeds out of the habanero pepper. That's a hot pepper now. It's not the hottest pepper. I actually don't like real hot peppers like ghost peppers and scorpion peppers. That's not my thing. But I will eat a habanero. Habanero's nice, a nice heat. And of course some of the seeds got in there. We got 2 habaneros and a jalapeno. Then I've got about 14 cloves of peeled garlic. Put that in my mini food chopper. Then I've got some tiger sauce. Now tiger sauce is my favorite hot sauce. And what I like about tiger sauce is it's a sweet heat. It isn't just hot sauce. It's got a sweet component to it. So we're going to put about, I'm going to call it a couple tablespoons of hot sauce. Then I've got some yellow mustard we're going to throw in there for this burger sauce. This is the burger sauce. Yellow mustard, I don't know, I'm calling it about half a cup. I'm going to put this sauce in the fridge, you know, and let it sit a while. I got some of mine. My daughter gave me. She bought this by mistake. And I said, well, I'll take it. I'll use it for something. This is Rosemary Aoli. For what that basically is a mayonnaise infused with rosemary. So I thought that would be good in my burger sauce. I'm going to put about 2 heaping teaspoons of that Rosemary Aoli in there. I'm going to blend that all up. You don't need to hear that, do you? I mean, that makes a loud noise, but let's just do a little bit of it. See how it looks. Anyway, you get the idea. I got to blend it up until those peppers are completely homogenized in there. And that's going to be the sauce for our burger. So stay tuned. Now, while my bacon's cooking, I've got a couple of balls of 80-20 ground beef. We're going to season them up with some SPG. Very simply. I love this. This stuff is Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. It's made by McCormick, and I really like it. I'm going to roll those balls around in there while my bacon's cooking. Get a little bit more of that seasoning on there because we're making smash burgers. And I got to go get a whole bunch of other stuff from out of the house. But anyway, let me get get my bacon cooked up the way I like it, and we'll put these burgers in the cast iron pan, so stay tuned. I got my bacon cooked up the way I like it. I'm going to drop one of these patties in here. Plenty of bacon grease in that frying pan. Going to throw a piece of parchment paper down on that and give it a smash. Because we're making a smash burger. Just going to let that fry up a little bit on one side. Oh yeah. What's better than hearing a burger fry? Yeah, baby, it's getting a nice crust on it. That's what's happening right now. Nothing like cast iron burgers. They're the best. Let's see if we can flip that puppy over. Oh yeah, looking good. Let's get some cheese on there. I got some pepper jack cheese I'm going to put on there. If I get the package open. Us old people struggle with these packages. Alright, now if I can get the piece of cheese out in one piece, and get that on my burger, that's pepper jack cheese. Okay, let me get that one cooked up, get the cheese all melty. Then I'm going to make a second patty, and then we'll assemble this awesome burger. Stay tuned. Okay, let's assemble this burger. I got some of that burger sauce on the bottom of the bun. Hot burger sauce. Good stuff, man. I ain't lying. Got a great taste to it. Got some lettuce. That'll mitigate the heat and also to make the burger look pretty because you'll be able to see the lettuce hanging out of the bun. I got a couple of tomato slices. I'm going to drop them on there too. That makes a sloppy burger, but I don't mind. I'm going to put my first patty on there and some bacon. Let's see, I said this was going to be a double bacon burger, right? So we're going to put two pieces of crispy bacon on top of there. Then the other patty on top of that. Right? Some more sauce, I think. More of that awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. And some more bacon. A double bacon extravaganza. I know my buddy Aaron is licking his chops right now, looking at my double bacon. I hate to put the top on it, you know? Wipe my hands off here. Yeah, that puppy is out of sight. Let me tell you what, it's uptight and out of sight. I got to get a picture of that and get a beer, and we'll take a taste, so stay tuned. Meine Damen und Herren, the burger is done. There's the Frosty Root Boy mug, star of the show. And here's today's beer. There is no better beer to have with a burger than Bell's Hop Slam. Double India Pale Ale, brewed with honey. A seasonal beer, happens to be back in season. I'm going to pop the top off of that. This is my favorite beer. If somebody had to ask me, what's your favorite beer? I would say Bell's Hop Slam. Wait till you see this beer. It's like I said, a double India Pale Ale. It's probably one of the best IPAs in the United States right now. Next to maybe, well, I've had Lawson's Sip of Sunshine, but I've never had Pliny the Elder. But they say that this is comparable to Pliny the Elder. Rob, I don't know if you like this or not, Rob, but I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to quaff the froth off of that puppy right now. Man, that's the best beer going. If somebody asks me, what's your favorite beer? That's it right there. Bell's Hop Slam. Let me get my burger front and center. How does that look, Aaron? Got enough bacon on it for you? Too much veggies, right, Aaron? Too much veggies. All right, let's smash that puppy down. Should I cut it in half or just bite into it? I think I'm just gonna take a bite. I could cut it in half, but I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna get a bite of that right there. I'm going in. Oh. Wow. You talk about a burger, a juicy burger. That is one right there. It's cooked the way I like it. It's a rare. And people say you shouldn't eat rare burgers, but that sauce has like an afterburn to it. But you know what? It's a good burn, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get another bite of that. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I gotta get another taste. Oh. That's outstanding. Wow, that sauce is hot without being uncomfortably hot, but I am gonna take a sip of beer. Babies, that's my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you consider subscribing. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but I'll tell you what, I'm gonna enjoy eating the rest of this burger right now off camera. It is one amazing burger, let me tell you what. Ah, that sauce has got the heat. It's packing the heat, let me tell you what. Okay, babies, we'll see you next week, okay? Bye.